Hey exclusive baddies, this is VP Exclusive, and today's video we're going to be doing a DIY video, and I have a special guest that is going to be joining us and making some artwork on some jeans as well, and he's going to introduce himself really quickly.
Yeah, it's Bub Up. I'm an artist from Chicagoland area, you know, North Chicago, and yeah, I'm headed there with BP.
Okay. So, have you ever done any type of like DIY project or anything?
Never.
Okay,
Never.
so this is gonna be his first video, his first design that he's gonna create himself, so he can say when he wear his pants, like, yeah, I did this, I made this, you know? So, let's get into the video. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you guys are in tune. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Hit that like button.
So basically, we're gonna just be painting. So you wanna get a paintbrush. Need to paint on this too. Just whatever, something that'd be, you know, make little
What's that?
lightning strikes.
Oh, okay. I think this is how they be back.
Or you can use this to make them. It's too thick though, right? You wanna use this? Or you wanna use the paintbrush?
I don't know.
I want mine to go like on the side, but not on the side, like, I don't know. You wanna go first? Or you want me to go first?
Nah.
So I'm just gonna do like lightning starting from the pocket.
Yeah.
If it ain't coming up, don't do it above your pants. Shake it on the side, on the box. So yeah, like just make it look like branches. No, what do we say again?
Roots.
Roots. That's why I asked if you want to paint. You want to just paint it because then you can be more precise. But lightning is not really, you know, it's sporadic anyways. It's different every time.
I guess.
How do you think rap influences fashion nowadays?
Well, I think it always influenced it, but now it's like another level. It's like people want to see if you could dress first before they want if they want to see if you could rap.
Yeah, I feel like people want to see your style and how you. That's so true.
Yeah.
And like a lot of street fashion of how the rappers dressing nowadays. They go to fashion shows too to see what's popping and what's on trend. I've been seeing some of them wear like purses.
Oh yeah.
What do you feel? How you feel about that trend for guys with purses?
To me, it's like it's a nice way to carry a couple things you don't want people to know you got, but I ain't really with all that.
Yeah, I'm not too fond of that trend either.
I'd rather be a backpacker rapper. You think that look decent?
Yeah, look fine.
You sure?
Just answer. Oh shit. Answer for like this little. Just like wiggle it. I mean, not.
I'm fucking need.
See, this is the white is the highlight. The color you use on the outside is just like to define it, you know, just do it around all the little thingies. And it'll be easier to use, just pour it inside or pour it on the, sit it down the side.
And just paint it?
Just paint it.
Alright, cool.
That'd be way easier.
Oh. Slimy.
Oh yeah, you getting better now. The other side gonna be real nice.
What's up, Mom? Down the street from my computer's crib.
Son?
Baddies, thank you guys for watching my video and doing this video here with Bub, and make sure you guys check out his music. He's going to be linked down in the bar below in the description. And yeah, if you guys do decide to make these pants, make sure that you tag me on my Instagram at bpexclusive, and also you can tag him as well if you want to show him, I guess.
Yeah,
but
tag me to everything.
Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.